Welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be discussing the array module in Python. Before we start exploring the array module, let's first understand what an array is. In programming, an array is a collection of elements, typically of the same data type, that are stored in a contiguous block of memory. Arrays provide efficient and fast access to elements, making them ideal for working with large amounts of data. Python's array module provides a way to create arrays of numeric values. It offers a compact and efficient alternative to using lists for storing and manipulating numerical data. The array module is implemented in C, which means it performs operations much faster than Python's built-in data structures. To use the array module, we first need to import it into our Python program. So let's jump right into some code to see how that's done. Great. Now that we have imported the array module, let's move into creating an array. The array function is used to create arrays, and it takes two parameters, the type of code and an iterable object containing the initial values of the array. The type code specifies the data type of the array elements. Python's array module supports a variety of type codes, such as B for assigned integers, F for floating point numbers, and D for doublest precision floating point numbers, among others. Let's create an array of signed integers using the type code I and initialize it with some values. Now we have an array called myArray containing the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can access individual elements of the array using indexing, just like you would with a regular list. The array module provides several useful functions and methods for manipulating arrays. For example, you can append new elements to an array using the append method. You can also remove elements from an array using the remove method by specifying the value to be removed. As you can see, the number 3 was removed. Another handy feature of the array module is the ability to perform various operations on arrays, such as sorting, reversing, and searching for elements. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. As you can see, the array was reversed. These operations can be incredibly useful when working with large data sets or when you need to optimize performance. Now that we have covered the basics of the array module, let's summarize what we have learned. The array module in Python provides an efficient way to work with arrays of numeric values. It offers a compact and fast alternative to lists for storing and manipulating numerical data. The module is implemented in C, which makes it perform operations much faster compared to Python's built-in data structures. Remember to use the array module. You need to import it into your program first using the import array statement. Then you can create arrays using the array function, specifying the type code and initialize values. The module also provides various functions and methods for manipulating arrays efficiently. Well, that's it for today. If you like this content and you want more videos like this, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to help us with the algorithm and get us in the loop. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.